The battery revolution we explored in New Battery Breakthrough Changes Everything for Cars is accelerating beyond anyone's predictions. While CATL's sodium-ion batteries and BYD's 8C charging dominated headlines, the real war for automotive supremacy is happening in laboratories and boardrooms worldwide. Today we examine the technologies that will determine which companies control transportation's electric future. Solid-state batteries promise game-changing performance but face brutal manufacturing realities. Meanwhile, market data reveals a shocking truth about global battery competition that changes everything we thought we knew. We'll analyze QuantumScape's latest breakthroughs, BMW's secret testing programs, and investment data that will reshape your understanding of the automotive industry's future winners and losers. Solid-state battery reality. QuantumScape's QSE-5 solid-state batteries achieved major milestones with prototype cells entering automotive testing. Independent verification confirms 844 watt-hours per liter energy density with 12-minute fast charging, double conventional lithium-ion storage capacity. The breakthrough came with QuantumScape's Cobra separator process, achieving 25 times faster production speeds. This addresses the primary scalability challenge for ceramic electrolyte manufacturing. Volkswagen PowerCo confirmed successful Cobra integration for commercial licensing. BMW conducted public road testing of solid-state vehicles in Munich using solid power cells, one of the first real-world deployments. This validates practical viability beyond laboratory conditions, while revealing automotive-specific challenges, including vibration tolerance and thermal management. Manufacturing costs remain the critical barrier. Current prototype solid-state cells cost hundreds of dollars per kilowatt-hour versus conventional alternatives. Cost reduction requires scaling to gigawatt-hour production levels while improving manufacturing yields significantly. Performance advantages include extreme safety with solid electrolytes preventing thermal runaway, 1,000 kilometer range in compact packages, and 10-minute charging to 80% capacity under optimal conditions. Toyota suggests commercial deployment beginning 2027-2028 in limited applications, starting with hybrids before pure electric vehicles. Industry consensus indicates initial deployment in premium vehicles where cost premiums are acceptable. Technical challenges persist with dendrite formation and interface stability, requiring continued development. Multiple companies pursue ceramic, sulfide, and polymer approaches, increasing success probability while fragmenting resources. Timeline predictions suggest limited commercial deployment by 2027, with significant volume delayed until 2030 or beyond. Mass market adoption depends on achieving cost parity with advancing conventional alternatives. Market dynamics, Chinese dominance. Global battery market data reveals accelerating Chinese dominance. CATL and BYD command 55.4% combined market share, with CATL alone controlling 38.1% of worldwide installations. BYD reached 17.3% share with 62% year-over-year growth. Chinese companies collectively control 2/3 of production capacity, while Korean and Western manufacturers lose position. LG Energy Solution dropped to 10.7% share despite capacity expansion. This dominance stems from government support, massive investments, and integrated supply chain control. Raw material dynamics shifted dramatically with lithium costs falling 80% from 2022 peaks to pre-pandemic levels around $30,000 per ton. Cobalt dropped 20% while nickel fell 10%, reducing cost pressures and enabling focus on performance improvements. Investment continues at record levels, with $11.1 billion entering energy storage in Q1 2025 alone. Government policies significantly influence evolution through trade restrictions, subsidies, and local content requirements. Supply chain control provides Chinese manufacturers strategic advantages through vertical integration of mining, processing, and manufacturing. China dominates critical material processing, including lithium refining and graphite production, creating Western dependency despite political tensions. Financial performance shows Chinese manufacturers achieving profitability while Western competitors struggle. CATL and BYD report strong margins, while LG Energy Solution requires subsidies for profitability. Future market structure favors Chinese dominance unless Western manufacturers achieve breakthrough advantages or receive sustained protection. Current trends suggest Chinese companies will control majority share across segments. Real-world performance analysis. Independent testing confirms manufacturer claims across technologies. German TÜV laboratories validated CATL Naxtra specifications, while Korean facilities confirmed BYD blade charging performance under controlled conditions. Temperature testing revealed dramatic differences, with sodium-ion maintaining full functionality in Arctic conditions. CATL Naxtra retained 90% capacity at -40 degrees Celsius, while lithium-ion loses 30–50%. Scandinavian testing confirmed these advantages exceed laboratory predictions. Cycle life analysis shows sodium-ion and advanced LFP significantly outlasting conventional designs. CATL Naxtra exceeded 10,000 cycles, while BYD blade demonstrated over 1.2 million kilometer capability. Tesla 4680 showed improvement, but remains below Chinese alternatives. Charging consistency proved superior for Chinese batteries, with CATL and BYD maintaining rated speeds throughout sessions. Tesla 4680 experienced thermal throttling during extended fast charging, according to independent monitoring. Cost analysis reveals Chinese manufacturers achieving 40 to 60 per kilowatt-hour production costs, while Western alternatives remain significantly higher. Tesla's 4680 improvements still exceed Chinese pricing, enabling superior performance at lower costs. Safety testing confirmed Chinese claims regarding thermal stability across sodium-ion and LFP technologies. Independent abuse testing validated manufacturer claims with minimal thermal responses during nail penetration and crush tests. Competitive benchmarking consistently shows Chinese technologies meeting or exceeding Western alternatives while maintaining cost advantages. Independent validation confirms technological leadership rather than subsidized pricing alone. Investment and consumer guidance. Financial analysis suggests sodium-ion adoption will accelerate, with CATL targeting 50% LFP market replacement. Investment opportunities exist in Chinese battery leaders, with CATL and BYD providing direct exposure to fastest-growing technologies. Tesla's 4680 achievement provides competitiveness, but Chinese manufacturers maintain superior performance-to-cost ratios. Solid-state investments remain speculative, with commercial viability requiring years of development. For consumers, vehicles with CATL batteries offer superior longevity and temperature performance, while BYD Blade provides fastest charging. Chinese technologies generally deliver better value than Western alternatives. Tesla benefits from integrated design, but battery technology no longer provides advantages. Consider Tesla for software and charging networks rather than pure battery performance. Upcoming sodium-ion vehicles launching 2026 deserve consideration for budget-conscious buyers. CATL Naxtra enables dramatically lower prices with excellent cold weather capability. Solid-state vehicles remain years away, with initial deployment in expensive premium models. Wait for proven commercial deployment rather than prototype demonstrations. Market timing suggests current period offers optimal investment opportunities before Chinese dominance becomes universally recognized. Early positioning provides maximum appreciation potential as competitive reality becomes apparent. Chinese battery leadership reflects genuine technological advancement combined with manufacturing excellence and supply chain control. Western recovery requires breakthrough innovation or sustained political protection.